Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you apply it just one night, white hair and gray hair turn to jet black permanently with very simple ingredients. It's 100% working without any side effects. It's super effective, yes, with very simple ingredients. The first thing we'll need is onion, and we need to shred the onion like so. Once we shred half an onion like so, my friends, we'll need to strain it in order to get the onion juice like so. Once we get the fresh onion juice, we need one lemon and we need to cut it in half like so, and we're actually gonna use half lemon and squeeze the lemon onto the onion juice like so. Once we squeezed the half lemon, I'm going to use Colgate toothpaste and I'm going to add it onto this hairbrush to clean it very well of any traces of any kind of hair dye or anything, and clean it very well before applying the remedy onto the hair roots. As you can tell, it's completely clean and it's super fresh. Now dip it into the remedy and apply it in the hair roots. Leave it overnight. This restores the hair color naturally and it turns the white hair to jet black naturally and permanently. This is gradually reduce the aging process that cause the hair to turn to white. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming experience remedies like that, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.